And the race is on. Pivotal from the outside is Baling. Ganda down on the inside. Valiente. And racing in fourth by the route. Precious Metal Senior. Elijah. Fearless Forecast is racing in 6 in. And on the outside, King Sack. Francis Stay. Make no mistake. Sound Value. Fourth last. Deep Rising. Naglalabog. And King Aljun is running in 13th. Baling Ganda. Valiente. Senior Elijah. Precious Metal is racing in fourth, and on the outside, Pivotal, Fearless, Sportscast, and Rising Up Sound Value. And hitting the last 450, Baling Ganda by a length and a half. Valiente, Pivotal, Precious Metal, down on the inside, Senor Elijah as they swing for home. Baling Ganda is still setting the pace, and on the outside, Rising Up Sound Value, and nearing the finish line, Baling Ganda, Sound Value from the outside, Precious Metal, but still Baling Ganda and Sound Value from the outside, Baling Ganda, Sound Value, and finally Baling Ganda, Sound Value, Precious Metal, Pivotal 2A took fourth, and for your Fentafecta number 12, Deep Rising.